Emergency escape from your vehicle and you have to leave.
Got a poncho. So I guess let's put some coffee on the boil.
Hot cup, yeah, it's still taping.
But I'm not going to waste setting up. Heaters were really bad. That's all that's well, we showed what all did.
Water bottle here on the side. Sure, light straw.
So as a stealth perspective, you win. I don't mind when I'm beat.
When I went to buy stuff.
Well, it's got sugar in it.
Nice soft sand here. Yeah, as I lift the dirt with my finger.
A little bigger.
Could be that it's just...
We were to put a hole on either side. So it sucks the air down through the outside hole and up through the flames.
Yep.
Something like that. Kind of scoop the air.
Determines the size of the wood. See, I put a bunch of little hole saw or keyhole fire.
Except it wouldn't be much of a stealth fire because of the smoke. Fire.
Well, it would have had our coffee boiled.
My cup's steaming pretty good.